Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel and also welcome to 7th chapter of our sequence in mathematics. That is nothing but coordinate geometry, analytical geometry, Cartesian geometry. Today we are going to discuss previous examination solutions with useful models. Before that, I have to give literal information about coordinate geometry based on Polyset exam. Children, this is the only 5 points we have to discuss in this session. Then you will write minimum 3 questions. It is coming in the exam. You will get 3 by 3 marks from the chapter. Perfect answers you will get by seeing this video. I assure it. The topic is first one. What is the distance between 2 points? Yes. What is the section formula? Points of trisection. What is medians? What is centroid? What is area of triangle? What is slope of the line or points? These are the topics we have to use it. These are the topics we have to discuss today. Before that, I want to tell you, in our previous playlist about coordinate geometry, beautiful information will be there in our playlist. I told you very clearly. I made a videos useful for each and every students. In that videos you can see you will get the definitely perfect knowledge. Definitely. Now in this situation, Polyset, based on Polyset, today we are discussing again these points. Okay, na beta? Before that, what is coordinate geometry? Simple. It is a branch of mathematics which deals with points in a plane. Nothing but coordinate geometry. That's it. And Sir Rene Descartes he was the founder of coordinate geometry. He only the first person to unify the algebra with geometry. That means this topic deals with the methods of algebra to solve the geometrical problem. That special chapter is called coordinate geometry. Our coordination is what? I am making the videos, you are watching the videos, you are practicing the bits, then you will get the rank. That is our coordination. Ready? Chalo, see. What is distance? Before that, what is this? Yeah, x dash, y dash. These two are coordinate axes, horizontal axis, vertical axis. It will intersect in a plane. It can be divided into that plane into 4 equal parts, such as quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the coordinate signs? I have to tell you, but you see that. Yeah, this is the first quadrant, anti-clockwise direction. This is the Q2. This is the quadrant 3. This is a quadrant 4. Here positive x-axis, here positive y-axis. So the sign of quadrant 1 is plus. This is a negative x-axis. This is a negative positive y-axis. So minus plus in Q2. And this is a negative x-axis, negative y-axis. So both are minus. Here positive x-axis, here negative y-axis. So in Q4 the sign will be plus minus. In Q1 the sign will be plus. For example, they are asking the question, for example, 3 comma minus 4 lies in which quadrant? Plus 3 minus 4 plus minus which quadrant? Q4. For suppose they are asking minus 1 comma 2 lies in which quadrant? X value will be minus having sign, y value having plus sign, minus plus. X coordinate is minus, y coordinate is plus, second coordinate. Then we can write the answers very easy. Okay. Now friends, what is the distance? For example, in this plane, you have to locate one point here. You have to locate a point here. Join these 2 points with line segment. Such points are called as PQ. We can denote it by PQ line segment. How to find the distance in a plane? So, for example, P point is having something 3 comma minus 3 comma 2. Q point is having 5 minus 5 comma 2. Something is there. How to find it? That case, we have to use the formula distance between 2 points. Such formula is nothing but when the 2 points are given, put x1, y1, x2, y2 or any 2 points in a plane, the length of the 2 points will be used by formula under the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square also correct. Sometimes they are making some content based questions also. The point the line passing through the origin, what is the distance between one point is given? We can use that case, that direct formula under the root of x square plus y square. At origin, we could not use this formula, direct formula. Of course, you can use at origin 0, 0, you can take it also same. But this is the distance between 2 points formula. Remember. And next is section. What is section? And that means divide into 2 parts. One line segment. For example, this is our line segment. This line segment having 2 points A, B. This line segment will be divided by another point C in the 2 parts. 2 parts in the ratio to M is T N. In such cases, we are using section formula. One point will divide the one line segment in the ratio. What is the dividing point? The dividing point divides in the some ratio. What is the ratio of that point? Okay, in such cases we have to use section. That section formula is nothing but you know very well. This is x1, y1. This is x2, this is y2. m1 is to m2 or m is to n. You can use anything. The formula will be simple. m1 x2 plus m2 y1 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now followed by m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Instead of m1 m2, you can mn also somebody are using. Simple. A line segment will be divided by another point in the ratio m is to n by using this formula. That point we have to find this formula. Not only this point, sometimes they are giving dividing point also. Find the ratio. Sometimes they are giving dividing point, find the ratio also. In that case also we should use this application, this formula. Clear? Distance between 2 points formula completed. Section formula also completed. What is points of trisection or trisectional points? This line segment can be divided in 2 cases, 1:2 or 2:1. Such points are called trisectional points. If a line segment can be divided into 3 equal parts, or else it is divided in the 1:2 ratio or a 2:1 ratio, such points are called trisectional points or points of trisection. It is clear. Before that, we have to study about collinear points. What is collinear, Nana? Generally, if given points are lie on a single straight line, such points are collinear. Example, this one. Here A, B, C are in a single straight line. So these points are called collinear. Means how we have to derive collinear? How to find the collinear? 2 ways are there. First way, AB plus BC. Sum of the line segment of AB plus BC equals to AC. This condition will satisfy that such points are collinear. Sometimes, in more easy way, slope of AB is equals slope of BC. We have to compare it. Both are equal. Then the points are called collinear. Otherwise, the points are non-collinear. Non-collinear points only will give the triangle. 1, 2, 3 is form one polygon. That is called triangle. You see, I am telling this content better, literal content. What is the median? In previous knowledge, the point of concurrence of medians is called centroid. Where are the median? A line which passing through the vertex of a triangle, that line will divide the opposite side 2 equal parts is called median. Where it is here. This is called median. This is the vertices of triangle. This is called median. This is called median. Now the point of concurrence of medians is called centroid, denoted by CRG. Here I have to give one beautiful examination question. Every centroid can divide the median in the ratio. Every centroid can divide the medians in dash ratios. Tell me, 2:1. Area of triangle. How to find the area of triangle? Now let us come with another topic, area of triangle. Yes, before that, centroid formula. Here ax1 y1, bx2 y2. This is the one coordinate, this is the one coordinate, this is the one coordinate. We have to find centroid. Simple amount. Yes, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula to find the centroid. Yes, you are asking, very good. How to find the midpoint, sir? Distance between 2 points. Okay, how to find the midpoint? Simple. Midpoint formula, 2 values will be there. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint. This is the centroid. This is the area, distance between 2 points. This formula to find the section formula. What is trisection? I told you very clearly. Okay, Now area of triangle. Yes, area of triangle we have to find by actually area of triangle 3 formulas are there. 1 by 2 basic height, that is a general formula. By Heron's formula, yes, you are right. Under the square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. That is the one formula. Now in coordinate geometry we are going to study about that area of triangle formula 1 by 2 x of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 square units. That is also we have to find that formula also we have to find the area of triangle. Here area. 3 vertices are given. To find the area of triangle is that formula. 3 line lengths of triangle is 1, 2, 3. Children, remember, lengths of sides of a triangle is given. In such case, we have to use this formula. This is nothing but Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Under the square root of s of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S is called perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of means sum of 3 sides by 2. And vertices are given. For example, ax1, y1, bx2, y2, cx3, y3 given. In such cases, we have to use this formula. x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 modulus close. This is a mod of. In such cases, we are using get the area of triangle. Very easy, but interesting formula. This is. Next, last one. In last preview, slope of a line. What is straight line? A straight line in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Every straight line in the form of ax plus by. In the fourth chapter, I told you linear equation 2 variable. I told you straight line equation ax plus by plus c equals 0. Its slope is what? What is slope? The inclination of angle made by positive x-axis, that is called slope. A slope of this equation is minus b by a. Remember, very important formula. Slope of this line equation is what is the we have to find what is the it is a straight line or not. Simple amount. The given point will satisfy this equation. Then it is called a solution of this equation. Then it is called a solution of this equation. What is how to find the slope by using this line equation? That slope denoted by m, center denoted by c. So like that, here slope is m equals to minus b by a. So for suppose 2 points are given. In such cases, we have to find the slope. But which kind of formula we should use are simple. The difference between y coordinates by difference between x coordinate. Nothing but m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These are most useful for you. 5 topics. From that 5, they are making 3 questions. We should get 3 marks definitely by seeing some models and previous exam questions also. Let us see, my dear children. Distance between the points minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3. What is the answer? Root 52, 0, 52, 20. First we have to go with the tradition. The formula, you know formula x1, y1, x2, y2. Yes, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. You know the formula, distance between the 2 points. Now x2, 2, substitute, minus x1, here also minus is there. So minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square. y2 minus 3, you have to write as it is. And y1, 3 whole square. So 2 plus 2, 4 square, here minus 6 square. 4 square value 16, minus 6 square value 36. 36 plus 16, root 52. First one is the answer. First one is the answer. Here we have to go with the shortcut. I want to tell you. This very important. Here sign will be interchanged to in the second coordinate at second number. Here first number having sign. Here second number is having. Then immediately you can get idea. Sum of these two, sum of these two. 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 square, 6 square, 16 plus 36, 52. The formula will be in under root. You can write root 52. That's it. Very easy. Okay. Na? Next. P comma 2, minus 3 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 10 are collinear. Then what about P? Simple. I told you very clearly. If we find AB plus BC equals to AC, or slope of AB equals slope of BC. Slope of A, this is A, this is B, this is C. Slope of AB equals to slope of BC. Slope, first AB, next to BC. Write clearly. P comma 2, minus 3 comma 4 is equals to b. Again you write 2 times, minus 3 comma 4, 7 comma minus 10. What is the formula given by 2 point slope formula? Yes, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Very good. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here put x1 y1, x2 y2. What about if you write like this, you can never make any mistake in the exam. You remember, with pencil fatapat you write y2 4, y1 2, x2 minus 3, x1 minus p. That is equals to. What about slope of BC? Here also put x1 y1, put x2 y2. Then you can apply very easy. y2 minus 10 with the sign also very important. y1 4, again x2 7, x1 minus 3. Here formula having minus of minus 3 plus 3. So 2 by minus 3 minus p. You can write as it is. Don't add it to 3p. It is variable and constant. Don't add it. Okay. Now not a like terms. So minus 10 minus 4 minus 14. 7 plus 3 10. Do the cross multiplication. 10 2 ja 20. Minus 14 into 3 plus 42. Minus 14 into minus p plus 14p. This one transfer to left side. 20 minus 42 is equals to 14p. So 14p is equals to 20 minus 42 minus 22. Here bigger number having minus sign. So p is equals to minus 22 by 14. Okay. Okay. Now 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 7 ja. So answer is minus 11 by 7. Minus 11 by 7. Minus, very important. Here plus is also there. Don't confuse it. Minus 11 by 7. This is the easiest way we have to do the answer. Just simple. Slope of, very easy shortcut method. That is slope of AB equals to slope of BC. Now do the cross multiplication. You will get the answers. Now some simplification is there, but the answer you will get definitely. Next question. Centroid of the triangle will divide the median in the ratio. Just now I told you in content. I told you every time. Content is power. Concept is king. So you are king maker. So what is the answer? Pause the question. Pause the video. Say the answer. Simple. Every median can divided by the centroid can divided every median in the ratio is 2:1. 2:1. This is the answer. But the paper setters are giving the question paper somewhat twisting. That time this is can be useful for you. This is 2 part, this is 1 part. Here G is there, here D is there. AG is to GD is 2:1. It is clear. But sometimes they are asking like this. AD is to AG is what? AG is to AD is what? They are asking like this. We have to see. AD AD means total length. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Ratio is 3. And AG, here AG, where A to G, AG, 2 parts. So the ratio is 3:2. Now remember, very interesting. AG, here AG part is 2. AD means total, 2 plus 1, 3. Like that, ratios also they should give in the exam. Be careful, okay? Next, slope of the line joining the points 4 minus 8, 5 minus 2. What is the formula, slope formula? y2 here. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us see. Y. Now after practicing you can do directly also. Now I am doing directly answer. Here, yes. y2 minus y1. y2 minus 1, 6. x2 minus x1, 1. Answer is 6. Without pen paper, mind calculation. How it is? Let us see. y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus of minus plus a. Here already minus is there. Formula is having minus. Minus of minus plus a. x2 minus x1, 5 minus 4. So 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means 6. So how we sir, how do you do mind calculation? Now see my fingers, my magic you see. Minus 2 minus 8. Second number converted into plus 8 because here minus is there. So 2 minus 2 plus 8, 6. Keep in your mind. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 by 1. 6 is the answer. That is the way you have to do. Now it came on paper, one question is there. These questions all are there in previous exams only. How it is I am explaining. You see, children, my best of knowledge I am sharing with you. But you do practice many times. Practice many times. This is a shortcut way I am explaining. This is a shortcut way I am explaining. If you practice many times, you have to make a more shortcuts also, because everybody have a unique identity, right? Every flower will give the different smell. Every person have a different ability. You believe yourself. You believe yourself. You can achieve anything, right? Now last question in this model, a point on the y-axis. Y-axis. Yes, the point x coordinate should be 0. Where is x coordinate? 0. Here x coordinate 0. Here not there. Here not there. Here x coordinate 0. That is called y-axis. For example, they should ask here x-axis. Y coordinate must be 0. Where is y coordinate must be 0? This is the answer. For suppose x-axis means this is the answer. Y-axis means this answer. Y means opposite value x is 0. X means opposite value y is 0. Ante idi gurtu pettukondi. Keep in your mind. That's it. Now let us see more interesting questions. A distance of the point -4, 3 from x-axis. From x-axis, the distance between the point from x-axis means y value. That's it. What is the y value? 3. This is y. How it is diagrammatically I explains to you. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. You know very well. Negative x-axis means left side -4 for suppose here. Y-axis +3. Here +3. These 2 points will be located here. Here. This is a point. This is the point. What is the distance between x-axis to the here? This is the distance. He is asking. This is the value. That is called 3. That means here 3. Diagrammatically I shown to you. Now direct answer on x-axis means you can write opposite y value. That's it. On y-axis given you can write x value. X value means -4. Here x-axis is asking. You can write +3. That's it. Okay. Slope of x-axis. Note point 1. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Remember friends, slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is not defined. So answer is 0. X-axis 0. Y-axis is given, not defined. Right? The centroid of the triangle whose vertices are centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That means 2 plus 4, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 by 3. Where is 4 by 3? This is answer. Finish. Finish. That's it. Okay. Once again you want x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 minus 2 plus 4. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 minus 6 minus 2, 4 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 minus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 11 by 3. This is the answer. I checked it. First one. Direct answer. Check it in the exam. That's it. That is called your confidence. Now the value of P, the distance between these points. Yes, x1, y1, x2, y2. We are missing frequency is asking. Same formula. x2 minus x1. P minus 2 whole square. I am doing direct shortcut. y2 minus y1 0 square. This is the square root. The distance between 2 points are given is 5. This value is given equals to 5. Okay. Now p minus 2. Everybody doing here expand. Don't do expandation. P minus 2 whole square is equals to squaring on both sides. It becomes to 25. Okay. Na? P minus 2 equals to square transfer to right side. It becomes to root 25. So p minus 2 equals to plus or minus 5. P minus 2 equals to, suppose I should take plus 5. P is equals to 5 minus 2 transfer right side plus 2. So 7. This is the answer. Very easy. Okay, na? What I have done, let us see. x2 minus x1, p minus 2 whole square. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 3 0. Then p minus 2 whole square equals to 5. But if you are practicing, you can do directly. What is the way you have to do? P minus 2 whole square. Here 5. P minus 2 equals to 5. P equals to 5 plus 2, 7. How many seconds we have taken? Means, how would I get this answer? Simple. And my idea you see, P minus 2 whole square. P minus 2 whole square. Here 5 square. 25. This is root 25. Square root వచ్చేసి root 25. Root 25 value 5. Here minus 2 there. Minus 21 is plus 2. 5 plus 2 7. Simple. 3 seconds to chase an answer. You can also do it. You have ability. When it is ability, you know such a content, such a prioritization, then you will also do it. Now slope of the line joining the points. Slope of the line joining the points means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But here the twist is that here missing value given. We should find that value. Okay, na? These two are Hyderabad flyovers. 3 minus 5 x2 minus x1 k minus 2 is given 2. Anything is the not that we take down 1, do the cross multiplication. Means minus 2 by k minus 2 is equals to 2 by 1. Now you can do cross multiplication. 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 2 into k 2k. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 transfer this side. Minus 2 plus 4 equals to 2k. 2 is equals to 2k. K is equals to 2 by 2. 1. K equals to 1. K equals to 1. Plus 1. This is very interesting question, children. The distance between a sin 30, 0, a and 0, comma, a sin 60. A sin 30, 0, a sin 60. Related to trigonometry. I know the table, but you know the table, then it is easy. What is the formula only? x2 minus x1. 0 minus a sin 30 whole square. y2 minus y1 means a sin 60 minus 0 whole square. 0 adding with any number, we should get the number will come. Minus a sin 30 whole square means a square sin square 30. Here a square sin square 60. Sir, here a square common, sir. That means we should get inside value sin square 30, sin square 60. Now sin square 90. Now sin square also common. We should get 90 here. Okay, na? Here sin square also common. We should do 30 plus 60, 90. Sin 90, 1 a square. A square 1 a square. But this total value under the square root, no. This total value under the square root, no. Square root cancel. We should get a. Simple a. I told you, this kind of questions comes in the exam. You have to observe a sin 30, sin 60, sin 30, sin 60. These two parts, when these two parts are 0, then these two parts are 0, you can write direct answer a only. What is the coefficient here? What is the coefficient here? That is the answer. That's it. No need to do anything. Okay? When it is, these two are 0. Remember. Next. If the centroid of the triangle formed by x, 0, 5, minus 2 and minus 8, y is 8, minus 2, 1. And that means this is centroid. Give only how to apply. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This value is given. Minus 2, 1. Substitute. x1 x only plus x2 5 plus x3 minus 8. That means plus into minus by 3. Clear. So I have to do y1 y1 0, y2 minus 2, y3 plus y. 0 minus 2 plus y by 3. These two are comparing to these two one. But you are a smart people. Don't do two comparison. Only you can take any one comparison. I should go with x. So x plus 5 minus 8 by 3 equals to minus. Here 5 minus 8 minus 3 by 2. 3 2 ja. X minus 3 equals to minus 6. X equals to minus 6 minus 3 comes to right side plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. X equals to minus. Where is x equals to minus 3? That is your answer. Here only there. This is your answer. For suppose in the exam this value also having minus means you can go with compare with y value also. But that much stuff they won't give. You are getting x value enough. X value is enough. Here I told you these two are 0. A is the answer. Like these questions are coming in the exam. I explain all the clear beautiful tricks. All tricks are maybe you should get answer below 1 minute. Means minimum 30. 10 seconds, 5 seconds answers also I am explaining with behalf of my knowledge. My dear friends, my dear students, my request to you, you have to practice by seeing the description link about 100 questions each and every chapter I kept it. By seeing that you can practice it, then you strengthen your subject. one trick, we are seeing the trick, we have to enjoy, but this kind of question you practice many times, you will get the perfectness. That is I want, that is I require from your side. And you are a new viewer of our channel, subscribe it, give a comment, likes, and share to everyone this kind of good videos to you. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.